Hi friends, let's see the unboxing and review of glucometer from Roche Accu-Chek. In this video, I will also show you how to measure the blood sugar. The first and most important thing to check during purchase is the unit of measure, which is displayed here. Please note, mg per dl is preferred in US, France and India, and mmol per liter is used in Canada and Australia. The unit of measure cannot be changed, so double check during your purchase. The device comes with free container of 10 strips in the beginning. The box has instructions for use and the strips are placed in airtight container. The cap is made up of non-toxic silicate, which keeps these strips always dry. Always keep the lid closed when not in use. The expiry date of the strips is marked here and it is approximately 22 months. There is also a color code to compare test result from meter to check accuracy within 30 to 60 seconds. Please note, this is only for reference. The MRP price is 1599. The price may vary time to time, so refer online once you plan to purchase. The device can measure fasting and post-meal glucose. It can give max of 90 days of average values. And it automatically saves 500 results with time and date stamp. With the new technology from Roche, the coding chip is no more required for this device. The kit has set of documentation and the carry case. The documentation has warranty card, app and user manual. The warranty is for 10 years and it is valid for only the meter. Another important aspect is this warranty will be only valid if the card is filled and returned to Roche India within 3 months from the date of purchase. The carry case is made up of PCABS and it is recommended to use only water and soap to clean it. The snap lock and hinge design looks delicate and it is good to give gentle use for longer life. The case has the meter, lancet or the piercing pins and the lancing device. The lancet or pin can be stored inside this compartment and the strip vial can be stored here. Pins can also be placed here for quick access. The meter can measure glucose levels from 10 to 600 units. The meter has 2-inch monochrome LCD display. In order to check the accuracy levels, it's good to compare the results with lab results once in a while. Device has 2 buttons which is used to set date, time, reminders and also to retrieve readings. During unboxing, press both the buttons at the same time to see if all the elements are displayed. Otherwise, the meter is defective. Meter has a USB port to transfer data to a computer. Please note, the data can be only transferred if the computer has the preferred software installed. The battery slot is at the back. Battery type is 3V single use CR2032. The battery is capable to support around 1000 tests or test for approximately 1 year. Another important aspect is the device will not work under direct sunlight or bright light. Ideal working temperature of the device is 8 to 42 degrees centigrade. The lancing device looks same as a writing pen. It is comfortable to hold and easy to use. The lancing device is only for personal use. Do not share as there is a risk of infection. If multiple people want to use, then it can be purchased separate as spare. So friends, let me show you how to do a blood glucose test. Pick the lancing device and remove the cap gently. Pick one lancing pin. Insert the pin into the slot and push until you hear a click sound. Twist and remove the protective cap and expose the needle. Place the cap back to the device. Be sure to align the notch on the cap and the device as you see. Push the cap until you hear a click sound. Rotate the cap to set the needle penetration depth. Press the plunger all the way down. You can see the release button is now yellow. The device is ready to use. Pick a strip from the container. Guide the strip into the meter in the direction of the arrow as you see. the meter gets switched on. The drop symbol flashes on the screen for 90 seconds and the blood sample should be applied within this period. Place the device against your finger and press the yellow button. Apply the blood drop on the center of the green field. The hourglass appears and soon your results get displayed on the screen. Once you see the results, remove the strip from the meter. So friends, please do watch the next video for step-by-step procedure to use this device. So friends, with proven accuracy and ease of use, this device is definitely a true companion in your journey towards a healthy well-being.